Hey, what's up again, everybody? We're just going to do a real quick video here, just walking through the involutionary arc and the evolutionary arc, okay? So, another way to conceptualize the involutionary arc is to say that this is the knowledge of the tree of good and evil. In the Bible, this represents the knowledge of the tree of good and evil. This is our descent down into the material sphere of good and evil. That's where we get the knowledge of good and evil. If we're doing what we're supposed to do here in the material sphere, the checkerboard floor, the black and white checkerboards of good versus evil. We're here to figure that out and to act in accordance. So, tree of knowledge of good and evil, the descent into matter, materialization, and then the evolutionary arc is the tree of life. The tree of life is guarded with a flaming sword. Remember, we said this is when the mystery of Golgotha happened, right? This is when the Christ mystery happened here on earth. In between the two periods, the period of involution and evolution, that's when the mystery of Golgotha happened here on earth, represented by the rock here. The rock is Peter, the foundation that Christ's church was built on the rock of matter, right? And then if we can come down through involution and involve ourselves in matter. Now, this is the long way. Everyone's going to evolve eventually, but this is the path of the initiate. Involution, straight up. That's the path of the initiate. This is the path of ordinary humanity. But this is the path of the initiate. The initiate must pull the sword from the stone. That's what that symbolizes. In like the Arthurian myth and legend, all the stuff surrounding the Holy Grail, the sword in the stone. This is the sword in the stone, okay? Only an initiate can pull the sword from the stone and ascend straight upward and not have to go the long way, okay? So, see if we got it all. Okay, I think that's it. Tree of knowledge of good and evil, tree of life. The initiate can taste the tree of life sooner if he can pull the sword from the stone, the flaming sword which guards the tree of life. Okay? Just so that all makes sense. And then that's the path of the initiate. You can also look at this as the stone is your sacrum bone in your body. Conceptualize this as a body, and here's your head, your crown up here. You'd have the dueling snakes, the involutionary snake, the evolutionary snake. But the path of the initiate is straight upward. And this is coming from Rosicrucian teachings of Steiner and Heindel. So I think that is it. That's the only point I really wanted to get on there right now. Maybe we can make this into like a little YouTube short or something like that. But watch my other videos because I go way more into depth into all this stuff, like what is the astral body, the ether body, the physical body, the dot, the line, the circle, ways to conceptualize this symbolically. Dot, line, circle, circumpunct, alchemical symbol for gold, and Ab, Ra, and Ham. I cover that pretty extensively in my other videos. So if you want to check those out, you're more than welcome. We're going to wrap it up right now. Thanks, and we will speak again later.